Hello everyone, if you're wondering on how you can see the print cost in your PrusaSlicer, it's going to be extremely simple. Of course, first things first, you want to import your model onto your plate right here. And then you could just resize your model to whatever you want to, but of course, this will affect the total cost of the print itself. You can also edit out something like the infill filament or the infill density and basically something similar. Now, to finally figure out the cost of your model, you first want to click on the preview option. And from here, it will basically slice the plate all together. And at the bottom of your screen, which is going to be the sliced information, we can see the used filament right here. And the total cost is going to be 8.57. But of course, if we do something like resize the model and bring it down even a little bit better, we can see that the total cost will reduce to 1.99. And so basically that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.